Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will start building the domain layer by creating our first entity class. If you have not watched the folder structure setup, check out my previous video. For now, what is entity? Entity are classes that represent core object of your system like user, order, products, etc. Also, they belong in the domain layer and contain only business rules, no logic related to the database or services. So let's go in the VS Code. The next, what I will do, just need some cleanup code. First, go to API. Okay, and here is the properties, launch setting. Okay, so I just simply require the code. I want to run my application HTTPS, so I remove it. So work on this. Okay, and here is the HTTPS. I also change the port. Okay, I change the port which is on 50. Okay, and run environment development. Okay, save changes, close this one. Then next HTTP. Okay, this file actually it is in by default and it's using for the test API, but I don't need this also because I test my application into the Postman. So let's move it, and here is a program.cs. Okay, it's a program.cs file. So it is important class. When we execute our application, it's going to locate this program file. So anything before this line is all services, and after this line is all middleware. So this is all middleware which we are using in our application. So this is good till now. Okay, so next is domain. Domain is contain core entities and classes. So our entities will come in that domain, and our entity's name is product. So just remove it. Okay, next we create a folder. Create a folder name entity. Create a class name product. So I remove the and then ID, name, description, price. So here is the warning. So I don't need to, it's empty value. I don't want this empty. Okay. So we have a few warnings here that we need to fix. Now, if you just put a question mark after the property, so the warning will go away. But I actually want the product name to be required. So that's why I'm using a required keyword here, and it should be enough. It's fine. So it means this property must be set when the object is initialized, and it helps keep our model strict and clean. All right. Our entity is now complete. In the next video, we will set up entity framework and connect it to our application. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. See you in the next video.